everyone, welcome to the channel where we break down health, fitness, and smart tech into simple steps that actually work. Today, we're diving into how to maintain or lose weight using powerful tools like the Apple Watch and smart rings. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to dial in your daily routine, this guide will give you clear, science-backed targets to help you succeed without the guesswork. Now, let's jump right in. Why daily tracking matters. So, why track daily metrics? Because what gets measured gets managed. Wearables give you insight into your calories burned, steps taken, heart rate, sleep, and more. These real-time insights are tailored to your body, making your goals more personal, more actionable, and way more effective. But remember, these devices are only as accurate as the information you give them, so keep your weight and BMI up to date. BMI and weight categories, what's healthy? Let's talk about BMI, body mass index. It's a simple equation, weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. Underweight, under 18.5, normal, 18.5 to 24.9, overweight, 25.0 to 29.9, obese, 30 or higher. BMI isn't perfect, but it gives us a starting point for understanding where we are and where we want to go. Healthy weight ranges by height. Here are some helpful examples for healthy weight ranges based on height, using the normal BMI range. At 5'0", that's 95 to 127 pounds. At 5'7", you're looking at 121 to 160 pounds. At 6 feet tall, a healthy weight would be around 140 to 183 pounds. Use these ranges to set realistic and healthy goals tailored to you. If you're maintaining your weight, here's your target. 7,000 to 10,000 steps per day, 250 to 400 active calories burned, at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, and a total burn of around 1,800 to 2,400 kcal per day. The key? Matching what you eat to what you burn. Let your devices guide you, whether it's the Apple Watch's activity rings or your smart rings activity score. Weight loss, daily metrics. Now, if you're trying to lose weight, the game changes a bit. Aim for 10,000 to 15,000 steps. Burn 500 to 700 plus active calories daily. Move for 45 to 60 minutes, and target a total burn of 2,200 to 2,800 calories or more. This creates a daily calorie deficit of around 500, which is the sweet spot for sustainable fat loss. Apple Watch features. Let's break down the Apple Watch. The Move Ring tracks active calories. The Exercise Ring tracks any brisk movement. The Stand Ring encourages hourly movement. It also tracks your heart rate, cardio fitness, VO2 max, and recovery, making it a powerful tool in your fitness toolbox. Smart Ring features. Smart rings bring a different kind of magic. The activity score tells you how much you're moving. The readiness score helps you understand your recovery. Passive tracking keeps tabs on your movement and calorie burn. And here's the kicker. Better sleep and recovery can directly enhance your fat loss progress. Sample day. Weight loss focus. Let's look at a sample day. You jog for 20 minutes in the morning, burning 200 calories. You eat a 350-calorie breakfast. In the afternoon, you do 30 minutes of strength training. Another 300 calories gone. Lunch clocks in around 500. Evening includes a walk and chores, burning 200 more. Dinner, 450 calories. That's a total burn of 2,500 and an intake of 2,000, giving you a healthy deficit of 500 calories. Boom. Summary key takeaways. Here's your recap. For maintenance, match calories in with calories out. For weight loss, aim for a 500-calorie daily deficit. Use your wearable for trends, not perfection. And don't forget, sleep and stress are just as important as steps and sweat. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone on their health journey. Track smart, move daily, sleep well, and your goals will follow.